feels like every adventure we go on has a moment where you either play it safe or keep moving forward. Today, that moment came a lot sooner than we expected. Our goal today was pretty simple. Drive this old Hilux as far into the mountains as we could, and then hike the remaining distance to one of Vancouver Island's last remaining fire lookouts. But before we could do any of that, a quick bridge inspection was in order. We're just making our way up to a cool lookout today, hopefully anyways, but we just ran into our first little roadblock here. So we're trying to get up this road. There was a sign that said road deactivated, and I'm starting to believe that now. So it looks like there was barriers here. This is the old railway, and I can see a big dugout on the other side there, but I'm gonna check it out anyway and see if this is worth trying to go across or if it's too dangerous. Like, I'm sure this would hold the truck no problem. I mean, I'm walking across it and it seems fine, but that is a really long ways down. Oh my God. I don't know, it's kind of scary. Like, it looks decent. Oh, it's a solid steel bridge. This thing's rock solid. Let's take a look on this side. Oh, there's a little bench down there. Bench, and then a long way down. Wow. Let's see what's on the other side of this though, because there's no point in driving across if we can't actually go to the other end. Oh, it looks like it's open. This might be kind of sketchy. I don't know though. Let's see. Oh, we're good. We'll cruise through this, no problem. Just getting across the bridge is gonna be a little bit scary, but it'll be fine. Sometimes you just gotta trust the process.
This is terrifying.
These old fire lookouts are a timeless piece of British Columbia's history. Long before satellites, drones, and aircraft could spot wildfires from above, the responsibility fell on a single person sitting high in the mountains. For weeks, sometimes months at a time, they lived up here almost completely alone, scanning the horizon day and night, watching for the smallest wisp of smoke. It wasn't a job that came with much recognition, but their quiet dedication helped protect thousands of acres of forest and countless communities below. Today, many of these lookouts sit empty. Some disappeared altogether, while others continue to stand as reminders of a time when protecting our forests depended entirely on the eyes of one person. So it looks like the rest of the way up is a steep hike. So we're gonna start hiking. You ready, Ellie? You got your hiking boots on? Yep. Yep. Perfect. Ellie just always knows the way.
Before words?
Ellie knows the way. Let's go.
Whoa!
Oh, wow. Nature.
Huckleberries. These things are so good. You want one? Want one? We're really zoomed in.
If they kill us, we die together.
Perfect.
It's a bit extreme.
Come on, Ellie.
Ellie, go on.
Ellie.
Go get her. Good girl.
Your butt.
Come on, Ellie. Great work, Ellie. Great work, babe.
I think my freaking legs are. They as in Mother Nature.
Small pit stop before another large ascent. Beauty. This is crazy. We must be close by now. How long have we been going for? Like an hour?
Feels like it. I feel like it's actually only been like 25 minutes.
Oh, it's just straight up with ropes
I'm getting
everywhere.
eaten by mosquitoes.
Yeah, these bugs are like birds out here. You hear them coming in
Got
there.
one on
Like,
my face.
you can hear the mosquitoes coming in like, and then it's like, zoom, and then it gets you. Give me your blood.
Ellie's still going strong. She's like, guys, I could be down and back up this.
Look at all these wires. Like these are all tangled up around the trees.
This is how I called you back in the day.
Yeah. The buddy's at the top of the tower. He's like, there's a fire, there's a fire. Takes like 3 business days to get back down the mountain and then to the fire station.
That is the most ratchet wire I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's like all the way up though. So bizarre.
Let's go.
One of the things we noticed while hiking up this mountain was this old steel cable running all the way up. From what I've learned, many of these fire lookouts were connected by telephone lines long before reliable radios even existed. They used old hand-crank telephones, and the lookout observers could call forestry stations to report smoke, request supplies, or simply check in. Every smoke report, every supply run, every daily conversation all traveled through a single wire stretched across the mountains that had to be inspected by the watch person after every big storm. There it is. We freaking made it. Nice.
12 hours later.
Yeah, literally.
Gonna go to the place that's the best. When I lay me down to die, going up to the Styrian sky.
Oh wait. Some things in here. That's cool. Wow. Let's write something. I wonder if anyone we know is in here.
Yeah, did Mike sign it?
I don't know. West Kelowna, wow.
Quick, short little hike, he says.
Crazy.
They drew it. This is me.
Fire!
Fire, fire. Look at this. Can you get a video of that? You did it, Ellie. Good job. Have you been up here yet?
No.
Oh my god.
You wanna take that? Actually, I can walk with it.
Oh, get a view of that one.
Oh, jeez.
There's sign.
Connor.
Come here.
Come on. She's like, dang it.
Come on. Good girl. You did it. Good job.
Good job.
This is so cool. We are
There needs
way
to be,
up
like,
here.
a swing up here or something.
Yeah, a zip line to the bottom so we don't have to hike back down.
That would be unreal.
It's a full 360 view. I think over here there's a cool mountain peak, but the cloud is kind of blocking that.
You can definitely kind of see it through the clouds.
Yeah, the silhouette. Beautiful. Here we are. Connor, Tyler, Ellie, YWC.
Just doing my own weather.
Yeah, doing our part around here. Keeping these places clean. If it's not clean, how are you going to see the fires? Speaking of that, do you see any while we're here? You know? I don't see any.
Looking good. We got some rain.
This lookout had been watching over these mountains for decades. Long after the fires, the radio calls, and the people were gone, it was still here. I want you guys to drop a little comment of if you guys want to actually see us doing adventures like this or just the truck stuff, because we do like doing this stuff too every now and then. But should we film it or should we just do it and not film it? Let us know what you think. I like filming it because it's pretty cool up here, but at the end of the day it's up to you guys, so let us know. This was us. It's not bye for now.
Bye forever.
Or it's it's not goodbye forever, it's goodbye for now.
I ain't coming back here.
Oh, okay, well then goodbye forever. Me with the drone.
He says if I fly it, I won't have to carry it down.
Why did I bring this? Because YouTube. We did it for you guys.
This is actually really gnarly. For holding these expensive camera gear things.
Yeah, you've got like seven grand in your hand. This thing's like $1,000.
This thing's like
Yeah, Ellie's the most expensive.
worth more than anything ever. How is she gonna get down?
I'm gonna put this down over there and then I'll come back.
Okay. Don't worry, Alice. We'll put you on our back.
Come on. Let's go. Oh, down is honestly worse than up.
Way worse. And I'm like a little bit scared of heights. Not ideal.
I just don't like.
Oh my god, Ellie.
I just don't like slipping down.
Okay, you ready?
That was close. I'm gonna go right here and then I'll catch.
She's definitely just gonna run.
I know.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Ellie, come. Good girl.
That's
Nice.
pretty good, actually.
Good control.
Pretty tame.
She's learning.
It's coming.
Good job.
Wish I had that rope.
How about you?
You guys screwed me. Thanks.
Nice.
It's like a safety net, you know? Don't need it, but if I lost my footing, it'd be nice.
Yeah.
Not bad. Now we just got 7 more of those to do.
That's it. Killing it. We're knocking out these climbs or these descents.
Feels like a climb.
I'm getting delusional.
It is the climb.
Yeah.
Somebody cue Miley Cyrus. Hannah Montana.
Copyright. Cue the dramatic music. YouTube drama. Most extreme ever. Wild, crazy.
Ellie's engaged.
Yeah, we've got engaged viewers. This is gnarly.
Wait!
This is so gnarly, we might have to turn around. Oh wait, we're going down right now. This is extreme.
Yeah.
We might have to turn around. This is too much. We've gone too far.
I honestly feel like rappelling would be easier.
Yeah, actually that's a wicked idea. Look at you go. Oh my god. You just unlocked a new feature.
Steve Lund taught
Yeah,
me this.
yeah. Down Mount Prevost.
We should have just paraglided.
Yeah. Search and rescue. Okay, can Ellie make it down to you from there?
Yeah.
Ellie, go.
You're
Go on.
fine.
It's the longest rope.
This one is so long. Whoa!
What?
That scared me. Well deserved.
Good job, Ellie.
Afterwards?
High five.
Oh.
Well, that was super cool. Definitely like a top 3 hike for us. It was steep, difficult,
So worth it though.
short and sweet. It was like 45 minutes up, 45 minutes down kind of thing. But yeah, it was really good. Nice views up here. But we're gonna head back down the mountain, back to our base camp. We're kind of set up down at a little lake, and we're just branching out from there, kind of exploring all over the area. And this was one of the spots, and now we're on to the next location. So thanks so much for watching, guys.
What do you say, Ellie? Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, Ellie says hit subscribe. I'm just gonna do a quick rundown on the Canopy camper for anyone that cares for the end of this video. Just to give you guys a quick little update of how it's holding up and how we found it over the last few nights staying in it. So the first night it was pouring rain, like sideways. And inside the tent it wasn't too bad, like it was comfortable, we were dry.
I only got wet in the morning when it was literally sideways raining.
It was
and we
sideways
had the
raining
side
and we
open.
had the sides open.
Yeah.
Because we didn't really expect that. But the one thing I will say about the rain, so as far as the tent being sealed up, on the inside we had no leaks on the doors, no leaks in the front. But when you're getting in and out of here and it's pouring rain, it does come down here onto this lip here, which is, thank God it has this lip at all, or else it would dump right here. It was raining hard too. Like it was coming down here and then it would hit this bolt and then trickle around the side and then drip right there.
Straight in.
So
Not
I don't know
ideal.
if that's a design flaw or if it was just really heavy rain. That was the one negative that I found. And then if the water did make it all the way down the drip rail, it landed like right here, which was fine, but then it would kind of splash inside, obviously. I'm probably nitpicking it, and that's just the nature of it, but
Giving you guys the raw truth.
giving it the raw truth. But other than that, we've been absolutely beating on this thing down logging roads.
I love it, honestly.
It's been great. And it's nice having the side access is a game changer.
Yeah, totally.
Like, love that. Got our axe there, hammock, speaker, you know.
It's very accessible.
This obviously isn't like our actual setup right now. We kind of took half of it apart just to come on this adventure. We left it all at our little base camp, but if you guys saw the last video of the interior build, you'll know kind of the layout that we did, which is honestly up for change as well, because we don't have anything permanently mounted to the base.
We're not set on it. We're just testing
Yeah,
it
we're
out.
just testing it and seeing what is going to work best. And so far this seems pretty good. Like when it was raining the other morning and we were just like sitting in here making coffees, like that was
It was
sweet.
honestly such a vibe.
It was
Like,
awesome.
It was
like we were
sweet.
just hanging out here. Toyota signs lit up. It was nice. So there's your update on the Canopy camper. If you guys want one, I'm going to leave a link in the description to this video too. And you can use my code Connor10 to get a discount. They're a really nice company to deal with. You'll probably end up talking to Shirley, who's super nice. So yeah, that's where we're going to end it off. Thanks so much for watching.
See you on the next one.
See you on the next one, guys.
Gonna go to the place that's the best.
We packed up, climbed back into the Hilux, and kept driving. Because on this island, the best stories are usually the ones you weren't even looking for.
Prepare yourself, you know it's a must.
We'll see you on the next one.